How to sign in to CapCut with QR code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device. Now, tap on the sign in button you see there, and further you will see the option for use QR code. Tap on that. Now go ahead and open the CapCut application on your mobile phone and then tap on the Me option and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now tap on Scan and further scan the QR code shown on your laptop screen. Once the scan is completed, you will be successfully signed in to CapCut using QR code. So, this is how you can sign in to CapCut with QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.